So you guys are wondering, what is the difference between our all-natural formula compared to our ultra heavy duty? So let me explain. Our all-natural formula was created specifically for automotive grease and grime. It is extremely absorbent, highly moisturizing, and it is lime scented. This product is also safe to use on your entire body, even including your face. Now, I recommend this product for most at-home mechanics or your typical grease and grime or strong odors. Now, if we move over to the ultra heavy duty version, this product is lemon fragranced, and we have also added in some extra solvents. Now, these solvents work to help remove paint, diesel oil, and crude oil. So if you're working in a more niche or professional environment, this is when I recommend the ultra heavy duty. This formula is also slightly thinner than the natural. Therefore, you can use it as a waterless hand cleaner. You can add it to your hands, and if you have no access to a running sink or water, you can wipe this off with a rag. With that being said, our hand and tool wipes also fall into this category as a waterless hand cleaner. So if you guys are working with, again, paint, diesel oil, or more niche products, I recommend this. If you're an at-home mechanic, I definitely recommend the natural formula. You are absolutely gonna love it. Thanks for checking it out.